What is up, YouTube? This is Hyped Airsoft, and I'm doing an unboxing, my first video ever. This is a $200 unboxing of worth of shit, and it's for Airsoft. And just give me a minute. This package is from Evike. I'm just here to show you. The reason why I'm on the floor is just bad timing. So right here I got a M16 high cap magazine tan from GMP. Wait, I don't think that shows you. You can see right there. And here's the high cap. The reason I chose high cap is because, I don't know, I don't mind winding it once in a while. And I got at least 4 or 3, what the hell? I guess I got 3, I don't know. Next is my CAA Airsoft Division mortar hand grip. That's what it looks like. And probably most expensive out of all this is my tan vest. I forgot what it was, but it's from Evike, and there you have it. And this is how it looks like. And last would be my angled foregrip. Oh wait. Alright, here's a better vision. And there you go. And all this shit. And that'll be it. This is a short video.